In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use the word count feature in Microsoft Word, whether you're looking for the word count of your entire document or just a section. This feature is an incredibly useful tool, especially if you're writing essays, reports, or any document where keeping track of word count is essential. So, let's dive right in. First, if you haven't already, make sure you have your document open in Microsoft Word. Once you have your document up and ready, I want you to direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the Word window. There, in the status bar, you'll typically see a little display that gives you your current word count. This might say something like 345 words, or whatever your document's word count currently is. It's a handy feature that updates automatically as you type, giving you a quick glance at your progress. However, sometimes you might notice that the word count isn't displaying in the status bar. If that's the case for you, don't worry. This is an easy fix. Simply position your cursor over the status bar, then right-click. You'll see a menu pop up with a list of features you can toggle on and off. Make sure the option for word count is checked. This will ensure the word count is displayed in the status bar, giving you immediate access whenever you need it. Now, if you're interested in more detailed information about your document, like the total number of pages, characters, paragraphs, or even lines, Word has a feature for that too. You'll need to head over to the ribbon, which is the menu at the top of your screen, and click on the Review tab. Once you're there, look for the Word Count button. Clicking this will open up a dialog box that provides a comprehensive overview of your document's statistics. But what if you only need the word count for a specific section of your document? No problem. Let's say you've written a paragraph or a particular section and you're curious about how many words it contains. First, highlight the portion of text whose word count you want to find out. Once highlighted, you can again look at the status bar and you'll see the word count for the selected text along with the total word count. Or, if you prefer, you can go back to the Word Count button in the Review tab. The dialog box that pops up will now show you both the word count for the selected text as well as the entire document, offering a clear picture of both parts. And there you have it. Using these simple steps, you can easily access and understand the word and character statistics of your Microsoft Word documents with precision. This tool is now at your fingertips to help manage your writing efficiently. Thanks for joining me today, and happy writing!